sarap ng kanyang biryani. But it's not hot anymore, honey. I don't like biryani today. Ako'y sardinas. At yan talaga ang ating paborito.
For me, I am from Bengal.
Ito talagang brand na sardinas na ito ay buong-buo ang kanyang isda at malalaki. 4 na piraso.
Tapos, olive. Olive should be put water. Oh.
Matigas ang ating nabili na na jasmine rice.
Jasmine rice sa masarap.
Masarap?
This is sticky.
Kain, Ma'am Teresita. Hi, Nora. Kain na. Ma'am Larina Tanyedo Tabuk. Diyan kain. Bismillah. And I want to have olive. Why? You put water?
To remove salt. Salty. Yeah.
Kain, Ma'am Marnie Sapin. Kain tayo ng sardinas na malalaki ang laman at buong-buo ang laman.
Lubia, you want lubia?
I don't like it.
Very nice, tasty.
Thank you so much, honey.
Your bone is will grow.
Ma'am Emily and Ma'am Net, soto kain na. Asawa ko yung nagbiryani dahil hindi ako nakapagluto. Dapat ako tinola today. Pero,
Biryani is masarap. Every day even biryani. Yeah.
ang sarap po ng sardinas natin, mga kaulam. Thank you very
Why
much.
you eat sardine?
Yeah. Ma'am Cindy Francisco, kain po tayo. Naku, nahulog. Ako ay may pang dessert na masarap.
Which one?
Secret. Yeah. Why you are guwapo today? Yeah.
Tapos yogurt.
Yep.
After, salamu alaikum your tummy. Yeah. I am mixing everything now.
Honey, how's your day today at work?
What is the same? Nothing different. Not too much because it's now summer. Summer, I don't know why it is less job. Why?
People are going for holiday, honey. Yeah. A lot of people already gone for holiday. That's why work is very less.
But it's hot. Holiday now.
Holiday away. They went to their countries.
They go Siberia or Tundra.
Yeah?
Or Tundra. T-E-O-N-J-R. I forget to lapanap.
Hoy, Tunet, kain na! Ma'am May Guela, Maricel Aclaver, Jenilyn Larsio, kain po tayo.
Nanay Nanita is there? Nanay Nanita, halika na din eh. Kain tayo.
Love talaga niya ang nanay ni Nina.
Ano balita sa Pikas? Inshallah, marami Pikas.
Not Pikas.
Bigas.
Bigas.
Bigas. Because if it's afternoon, grammar suddenly it will change. I feel full.
Kupo, nilagang buto-buto bago may kalamansi at patis. Anong sarap niyan, Tunet. Ma'am Ami Labramonte Aranilio, kain po tayo. Ang sarap nun. Ma'am Emily Robles, kain po tayo. Sarap na nilagang buto-buto. Ng baka?
Marlene in the line? Marlene.
No.
She's with
Ma'am Maricel Soriano, kain po tayo, madam.
Marlene from Laguna.
Marlene is not watching.
She will watch when she hear us.
Inshallah. Kathleen De Castro, De Castro. Good evening from Dumaguete City.
Where? Which area?
Dumaguete.
What is this area?
This, I think, in Bisaya.
Oh.
Hmm.
Bisaya is north or south?
I don't know.
Hmm? So,
What is that?
your geography is not so strong.
But I am not making shower of this rice. Yeah.
I think Bisaya is part of the Mindanao.
Yeah.
If it's Mindanao, it's
No.
south.
Mindanao is Mindanao. Bisaya is Bisaya.
Yeah, but I know maybe it's near the Mindanao. If it-
RJR, thank you so much sa 50 stars. Arlene, kain Arlene.
If
Ma'am
it's
Susan
there.
Pulinder. Say thank you to JR first.
Thank you. What happened? We have.
He
What?
gave 50 stars, huh?
Shukran jazilan. Taring.
Edwin Jr. Vinasoy. Saan po?
It's been nice name.
Edwin is nice name. Ma'am Vivian De La Rosa Tibayan. Sir Edwin, thank you po. Thank you. And I am almost done. And somebody will wash the plate.
Again,
Yeah.
rule this no change. Huh? Not update.
Because today is Tuesday.
What is it?
Ma'am Sherlina Manguray Santos, good evening. Ma'am Mayat Abante Montiero, Ami Labramonte Aranillo, and Ma'am Marisol Vargas. Gaganda-ganda yung mga pangalan. Artistahin eh.
You know today what they write in the Google? If the wife she will wash the plate, she is meaning she love husband.
I hate you. I hate you, honey.
If every day,
Ah.
that is mean love, strong love. Yeah.
I strongly hate you.
And the husband lying down,
Huh?
washing the hand.
So
and
the
go
husband
like
is
that.
lazy. How the wife will love the
No.
lazy husband?
No. I mean, he will lie down after eat. Yeah. Not lying down 24 hours.
Aywa?
Yeah.
Ma'am Edna Sato from Japan. Nanay Ponsing kain po. Mamila ang talang kain.
She's living in Japan.
Ma'am Connie Lorenzo Ortiz.
What?
Jonalyn Kamalig.
What they are working Filipino in Japan? Anything like Dubai?
Yeah. Ma'am Marco Concepcion. Good evening. Ma'am Carmen Abad, good evening po. Bagong gupit ang iyong ninong. Nagpagupit din sa bakas. Pinakortihan din sa harap din eh. Oh.
No. You know this down? I told barbershop, don't cut hair. You see, if you tell don't cut, he go first, he's cutting hair. I said, Habibi, don't cut it.
What they will do? What?
You should be leave hair, no, not cutting the. I don't like to cut the. No.
But why did you go there if you don't want them to cut it?
Cutting the side hair, make it a little bit, not too much cut.
Ah.
Yeah, that is meant. But he follow himself.
To, maarte.
No.
Salamat po, Ma'am Edna. Hi, Shua.
Shu al-Matrushi?
Thank you so much. Likewise, hope you are also doing good even if it's so hot. Ma'am Isabel Liaga, good evening po. Ma'am Elma Bien, good evening. Vanessa Ann, Marisa Laplana Libas, good evening.
This water is normal for me. Yes, it's not hot. It's not yet start hot. Yeah.
Ay, kung ano pa kaya ang mainit sa iyo kundi inagnakulo na.
I grow up. For me, I feel hot when it's 60 degree.
Sardinas po ang aking ulam at ang sa asawa ko po ay biryani.
When you know the 50 degree reach, 60, that's, I feel little bit. This is not hot. It's not yet start. Gas testing. This
How is the
hot.
taste of the hot?
I will eat for Mariam also.
Ang sarap ng sardinas, promise.
Huh?
Ma'am Justin, Erlinda Villanueva, Ma'am Merlinda, Lugas Paniergo. Really, Shua, the weather is very bad. Really.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Don't say bad. That is good for the body.
Huh?
Yeah.
Honey, this is for the cat, huh?
Cold is not good for us.
Marky Codilias, good evening, welcome back. And Geraldine Pakibot.
You know, cold it make everybody sick.
I don't like cold, but I don't like this heat too much.
Hmm? This heat is good for the body. You will
Honey,
not.
you're done?
What you're meaning?
I'm also done.
Huh?
See?
What does mean?
See? When I put like this, I am helping you.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is help.
Now,
Very
I will
good.
put it here, then I help you a lot.
Oh,
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
And this one, I will put it there, then I help you too much.
Oh, it's too much, too much. You move too much.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Say thank you to